Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in Junk Journal January hosted by Meg of Meg Journals. And our prompt for today, which is the 21st, is map. And I've got a lot of these little bitty maps pulled from one of these little books that I think I got it on Amazon. I'm not sure. But I thought I would use that. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. All right, so I think I'm going to use these and kind of do a collage. And I've got a few more pieces to kind of add with it. I'm not sure how I'm going to do this, so I'm just going to start playing and go from there. Well, I'm doing good. It is cold. I am filming this on Monday, and it is just it is down in the 20s and still dropping. I can't remember what it was the last I looked. It was like 24 or 23. That is cold for us in Mississippi, and it's a bitter cold. Okay, I'm just gonna put a few pieces around. I don't even think I need them all. I don't even know if I got them right side up. It's so small. There we go. And I think I'll just kind of tear some. I think I'm just going to overlap too. Oops, flip that around. Other than that, there's not a lot going on. As I said, I'm filming this on Monday, and our inauguration's today, so I want to watch that. Let's see here. I'm going to add just a few pieces of paper that's not of the map, but just to bring a little interest. And to use up some of my scraps too. Got some tissue paper. I've got this piece left over from a shopping list that I used on my Marguerite Miller. Just kind of making a little master board, basically. And let's see what else I've got. I've got this scrap of tissue paper from that same collage. You can tell what's been on my desk. Okay. And now I think I'm going to use this bird as my focal point. But I think I want to ink or stamp. Let's see. I've got, I don't know what I'm doing. I just got this stamp. It had fallen down. I think I'm just gonna add a little bit more interest. I like that. That's cool. And that is Paradise Teal. I like that. And I'm going to add in some of these flowers in the back, or these die cuts. Just to add a little something to it. Yeah, so I will use my art glitter glue. Sorry, I don't have a lot to say today. I've been up early, which is good. I did my Bible study, and I think I want to add that one. And ate some breakfast. And it's about 5 now. But I got up when my husband left, and he left about 1:40 this morning. So I've been up since then. And I watched Gail Augustinelli's video. And made a list of things I want to do. Did a little bit of sweeping and scooping the litter boxes, which is never fun, but is necessary. I know my babies appreciate it. Let's see. Add that one there, and add this one here. And this one here. I've got some potatoes baking. I'm going to make some potato soup. It'll be good on this cold day. My family loves it. There's not a whole lot going on, like I said. Family and I have been watching Relative Race. We watch that as a family. We like that show. Not too many live shows, I mean not live shows, but reality shows that we like. They just seem to be rigged most of the time. But that one I like. It seems like it. We used to like Survivor until one year it really seemed very much rigged. And kind of turns you off of them. All right. Could go down like that, but or I could add this down. And then add in maybe just up a little. I don't know. I'm just going to go with putting this down. It's hard, these pictures are back to back. Pick which one I like the most. Some of them I know I'm going to have to make a copy of. All right. And now maybe I can do some my book's getting lumpy. Like that. Maybe have that going off. I think I'm going to do that. Find my scissors. Do I want the, I think I want the green one. I'm just going to cut it right there. And then add in this. And maybe that. Whoops. I like that. And could put that up here, or maybe do I want more numbers though? I know I want that. Add it there. And I've got this little tiny piece. And I could maybe add it in right there. Okay. Just a little piece of something that's laying on my desk. All right. I like it. And I want to stamp my date, 21st. I will do that right there. And I think I'm going to take this pencil and just kind of give myself a little border. I like the pen better though. Alright, and now add in my gold spatters. Okay. Sorry about that. Gotta go check my potatoes. Okay. I think I will also add in some black. This is more of a silvery. It's got metallic in there, and of course I've mixed my gold in there too, but let's give it a little interest. And I believe this is done. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't. Ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Y'all have a great and wonderful day. Take care. Be sure and check out Meg of Meg's Journals, and be sure and check out the hashtag Junk Journal January to see what everyone else has made. I love you. Take care. Keep warm. And if you're in Australia and the other side of the world from me, keep cool. So until next time, bye y'all.